Hi friends, we have given two equations a plus b is equal to 1 and a square plus b square is equal to 2. We have to find out value of a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7, right? So first we will determine value of a into b, right? So ab is equal to half a plus b whole square minus a square plus b square, right? So AB is equal to half a plus b is 1 square minus a square plus b square is 2, right? So AB will be equal to minus half, right? As we had a cube plus b cube into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 plus a into b whole cube a plus b, right? Now a to the power 7 plus b to the power 7 is equal to this a cube plus b cube a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus ab cube a plus b, right? As we know, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, right? And a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. As we know, a square plus b square whole square is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square, right? So a to the power 4 will be a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square, right? Using this minus this minus ab cube a plus b, right? Okay, now we can take a plus b common, right? So a plus b. Now we have this a square plus b square minus ab and this a square plus b square whole square minus 2. We can write ab square, right? Minus, now this is common, so we have only this ab cube, right? Now we can put values as a plus b equal to 1, a square plus b square is equal to 2, ab is equal to minus half, right? So a plus b 1, right? A square plus b square is 2 minus ab is minus half, right? A square plus B square whole square 2 square minus 2 AB is minus half square, right? Minus AB right? Now 1 2 plus half 5 by 2 and this 4 and this will be half plus sign plus half, sorry, I am extremely sorry, this will become plus, so this will be 4 minus half, right? And here minus sign, minus half cube, this will minus and minus plus, right? So now we have 5 by 2 and this 7 by 2 plus 1 by 8, right? So 35 by 4 plus 1 by 8, this will be equal to 71 over 8, right? So A to the power 7 plus B to the power 7 will be equal to this. Okay friends, thank you.